Hi Blazers, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video tutorial we're going to show you how to give assumption access to Zendesk support when they ask for it. So where to find this? Go into your Zendesk instance, click on the cog, then click on go to admin center. This will open up the new tab. Then you've got to click on account. That will bring that down. Go down to advanced. Under advanced you've got passwords, authentication, IP restrictions, and what we want is account assumption. So click on that. You've got a tick box, click on enable account assumption, and then you can actually pinpoint the duration, so you can give them 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, or indefinite. So that's up to you. You can say 1 day and then click the save button, and that's it. They will automatically see that. You will get an email notification that that's been turned on, and it will automatically turn off after that period has expired. Or you can come in here and remove it. I will cancel because I don't need this right now. And that's how we do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.